Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to install Visual Studio Code in your MacBook Pro. At first, let's go to VS Code downloader and you can click the first link over here. And here you'll see the download file for Mac. And you have two different options as well over here. So you can either download the zip file or CLI file. And you have option for three different chips as well. So if your Mac has Intel chip, you can download this file. If it has Apple Silicon, you can download this file. But if you want to download universal file, then you can simply click on this download Mac. You can check which chip does your Mac has by simply going on this and clicking on about this Mac. And here you can see that I have Intel chip, so I'll download the Intel chip file for now. So once the download is complete, you can go to the download folder over here. And here you can see that Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. So you can simply double click on it and you can click on open. And just like that, Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now you can create a new file, or you can open the existing project that you have and start using it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this one was helpful. See you guys in the next one.